Gavin Little from Little IT here. Hope you are all well. I wanted to do a follow-up on my data sovereignty post off the back of a query or question I had around why there is a need for a separate independent backup solution or service when you or your business is already utilizing a cloud file storage or management service. Now, right off the bat, it's important for every business to recognize that there is a need for a separate independent backup solution. No business should rely purely on a file storage solution like Dropbox or OneDrive, for example. Now, to give a little bit more detail and explain the differences between them, a Dropbox, OneDrive, SugarSync is a cloud storage solution providing you the ability to synchronize your primary files into the cloud so you can access them anywhere, anytime, or from any device. So as soon as you change a document on desktop 1, that change will reflect on desktop 2 or iPad 1, for example. Now, with a cloud backup service or storage service, they're specifically there to back that data up and place it into the cloud for you to access and restore when you need it. It is independent to your Dropbox or OneDrive solution, and that's the way it needs to be. Now, I think an important and good example to use would be if your business suffered a cybersecurity attack. Now, the risk in that scenario is if your files are locked down and you cannot access those files or recover those files, that will reflect in the Dropbox or OneDrive solution that you have, because those files will synchronize to your cloud service provider. Now, it will be recognized as a different file, but the risks are that that service provider doesn't have a retention or version control policy in place that says, I will keep the last 3 versions of a file, and therefore when that file synchronizes, that corrupted file synchronizes from your local computer to Dropbox, for example, then you've lost both versions of that file. So you should always consider a cloud service provider like OneDrive or Dropbox as a single copy of your file. So, as I said, it is really important for every business to recognize that there is a need for a backup solution, even if you have or are looking at a file storage management service like a Dropbox or a OneDrive in your business. That has been useful, guys. If you've got any questions or queries or would like to investigate that a little bit further for your business, please don't hesitate to get in contact, give me a call, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Cheers.